welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to teach you a very new activity which is very fun. And you're going to use quilling paper. So I'm going to teach you how to make paper rings with this quilling paper. Quilling paper is a piece of color paper which is cut into thin strips, and here it comes like a set with many different colors. You can buy this at any craft store. I have the set with me. So I'm going to be using green and pink. I'll just take pink from here. Making rings with quilling paper is very easy. Really easy. So I'm going to be using the green. I'm going to be using the green quilling paper for the actual ring part, and the pink just for a little decoration. So first step is you only need two things: quilling paper, glue. First step, just take a piece of quilling paper and wrap it around your finger so that you know how much you need. Okay. So if it was difficult for you like me, you can just put a small pencil line and roll the paper and glue it till there. So first what I'm going to be doing is you should not put glue here, because when you're doing this, the back part should have glue, because when you roll it like this, the back part sticks to the front. So make sure you add glue for the back part. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Just going to add little bit of glue. Just little bit, no need to add so much. Okay. So I'm going to slowly and carefully place this piece of paper like that. Ooh. Because you have to turn it, sometimes it may spring like push at you, but no problem. Just give it a press like me from inside, like how I'm doing, so that it stays. And then you need to continue doing it, and just make sure that you don't make it so tight. Just make it a little loose so that you can remove it and put it back on. If it's tight, it won't be comfortable, and sometimes you may not be able to take it out of your finger, and then you might have to cut it open, and that's not nice. And I know it takes a bit time, but it's fun. I made many rings because they are very easy to make, and whenever I get bored, I just grab quilling paper, take some glue, make rings. And they also are very beautiful, and they take less time and very easy. Talking, I've almost reached the end. And you can see this looks like a snail. Like this is the shell and this is the snail peeking out. So just before you're almost done, add little bit glue and roll it. Okay. I know your fingers might get gluey. Mine are a bit too. So now you have a ring. Just put it on your finger just to test if it's not, so that it's not too loose or too tight. And now you can let it dry. Until then, working on the decoration. The decoration is pretty simple. What you need to do is apply a bit of glue. This time for the decoration, it's your wish. If you're good at quilling, you can make a quilling flower using quilling paper. But I'm not so good. So I'm just going to make a small circle. So I'm going to apply a bit of the glue. This time on the front part, and slowly fold it and start wrapping it. And if you want it to be more thick than this, you can add another piece of quilling paper. But I don't want it to be thick because I don't like it when it's thick. That's why. I'm just going to tightly wrap this. By the way, there are many different colors in this. I'm just going to read out all the colors. There is green, pink, yellow, and brown, grey, light brown, I guess. That is, yeah, light brown, light blue, red, yellow, and purple. So it's like it's one long string, but they fold it into half. Don't know. I don't know why, but I think to fit in the packet. Yeah, to fit in the packaging. Again, talking. I'm almost done, and I made another snail. So, I am going to apply a bit of glue and roll it. Yes. Just make sure it's tight. Roll it and just going to press it little bit so that the glue sticks. And yes. So, now you can see this ring. It has a tiny opening here which we have glued, and so to cover that we can use a little decoration. Just going to add a little bit of glue here, just a little bit, no need more, not so much, and just press it down on the ring tightly. I mean not tightly, but with little pressure. Just make sure that you don't add so much pressure that your little decoration gets folded. Just a little bit, just press it. And yeah, here's your ring ready. I'm going to put it on my ring finger. And yeah, here's your paper ring. Just make sure not to put it on water because it'll get wet, and that's not good. You can make many of these, and you can also decorate this using any other like sketch pens. You can decorate this part with a black sketch pen or any other color which you like. You can use and decorate it. Even this. Like that, your ring will look more beautiful and it'll be more fun to do. Wasn't it fun to make this ring? I bet it's fun. But just make sure that after you're done making the ring, let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes so that it doesn't come out, like your little decoration doesn't fall apart. So if you like the ring, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.